Hey guys, it's Lori. I'm on my way to a really quick job today. It only takes maybe like an hour to do this job, and after that I think I'm gonna go to the greenhouse, maybe. Has been pouring down rain for days. We had a good day over the weekend, this past weekend on Saturday. It was actually nice and it didn't rain, so we took advantage of it. But other than that, it has just been raining every day, off and on, pouring rain for days. So I'm hoping it's not pouring too bad by the time I'm done with my job, so I can stop at the greenhouse, because this weekend is Memorial Day weekend. I'm not sure when this video is going to go up, but right now it's Tuesday and this weekend is Memorial Day weekend, and it's supposed to be really nice outside. It's supposed to be. Please, Mother Nature. Anyways, I'm going to get back with you guys when I'm done with my job, and we'll see what the weather's doing then. I did bring my Crocs though. I brought my Crocs with me because that way when I go to the greenhouse, a lot of times it's super muddy there. So I brought the good old Crocs, my dirty Crocs. But yeah, they're easy to wash off though if they do get muddy. I don't want to get my Skechers all muddy, and plus my feet will be soaked and gross by the time I'm done. So anyways, blah blah blah. I'll check back. Okay, I'm done with my job. It's raining some, but it's not pouring, so it is windy though. Not that that matters, I suppose. I'm probably gonna go ahead and stop at the greenhouse. This lady that I just cleaned for, like I said, it only takes like an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. And she started paying me more. So I already thought I made pretty good money, hourly wise, at this job, but now I make really good money hourly. So hey, I'm not gonna complain about that. Anyways, on with it. Let's go to the greenhouse. You see those purple flowers way down there? Those are the ones I want. In order to get them, this is why I wore my Crocs. But I got the flowers. And what I got really quick, I got 4 of these vines. What are they called? These vines right here, I got 4 of those. I got a variety of petunias. Goodness sakes. I got a variety of petunias, and there's some more petunias over here. I got some marigolds for my garden. Over there I got a bunch of veggies. I'll show you those here in a minute. I got 3 of these tomato plants right here. Looks like something good. I got 3 of those. Hold on. I picked up this right here, a perennial, as well as this perennial, which is Crazy Daisy. And we got a bunch of different kinds of peppers. Hold on. We got the banana peppers right here. We also got in there, I have jalapenos, I have poblanos, and I have 3 green bell pepper plants, along with an orange bell pepper, and I think that's it. So, oh, and I have grape tomatoes back there. So essentially we're gonna have like a salsa garden with no onions. So I'll have to buy those. Okay, it's pouring down rain and my feet are absolutely drenched. So, and so is about 2 or 3 inches at the bottom of my pant legs. So I'm super glad that I have my Crocs. I gotta take my socks off. Why did I even leave them on? That was silly because they are dripping wet, seriously. But yeah, if I wanted those petunias, I had to walk in the water. It was pretty deep in the middle, but oh well. And that right there is what a Dollar Tree tarp is awesome for. When you have something you want to haul with you that will get your vehicle dirty, it's great. It's wonderful. Okay, guys, I'm going to head home, unload this stuff, and put it out on my ramp where it can get rained on and get some God water. That's what we call it. And yeah, that's going to be it for now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Look at all this water. That's the creek. Wow. I'm going to drive through the roundabout just to show you guys all the water laying on the golf course. That is supposed to be the golf course. Hopefully you can see it. My goodness. That road's closed. It's flooded across. And let's go check out the creek again. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. And it is still raining, guys. I just came out to show you guys the pond at our park. This is where I like to go and walk Winston. Can you see that bench right there? That bench right there, that is sitting in between the trail and the pond. So that's where the pond actually stops. But it's all flooded because it's starting to flood over onto that baseball diamond too. But yeah, it's all flooded all through here. Look at this. None of this water is supposed to be there. And the reason is because right over there, on the other side of those trees, is a creek. The one we just passed, that's the same creek, or creek, or whatever you want to call it. I say creek. Do you say creek or creek? Tell me in the comments below. Is it creek or is it creek? I've always said creek. I don't know. Whatever. It's spelled creek. All right, guys. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you some flood water. Shot of this out my window. Okay, there's no cars coming.
We're looking at floods, like the skate park.
That's the skate park. There's the pond. Sort of.